This is Tuck with Tuck GC. I'm in Alexandria, Virginia. We just finished up a nice concrete pour, 12 yards, remove and replace in the same day. There was no base underneath this driveway, so we took out 2 full triaxles of dirt, brought in 17 tons of gravel, and then poured the concrete all in one day. A friend of mine, Lopez Tree Service, is working over there. If you need a good tree guy, give them a call. But they're making a little noise, so I'm gonna make this video short and sweet. Let's walk around as always. Nice fine broom finish. Proper cut control joints at the right distances. Aesthetically pleasing as well. Over here in the corner, you can see it drops off. There's a lot of buildup, so we did a footing in there. Broke off the concrete on top. There was a big footing that went all the way down 2 feet that we tapped into with rebar and everything. Brought that across the driveway, tied in rebar at the garage there. Did a little extension over there on that side. And that's it. Looks really good. Another one closed out in the books. If you need a driveway, please give us a call. If it's something simple like this, in and out in a day, we'd love to service you. Or something more extreme like doing the apron or stonework or pavers, we can handle any of that. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.